what we have up here on the screen is an example of a part that we at Action Engineering put together. So this is a model-based definition of a cast and machine part. Really, and this adds to what John already mentioned. But the model-based definition is it's a collection of information and documents that provide all the relevant pieces of product definition that you need. Really, that consists of 5 different parts. So we have our CAD BOM, or bill of materials, our 3D geometry, our annotations, our attributes, and our presentation states. The geometry, that comes from the 3D model. The annotations are living in that 3D space as well. Attributes will be like part numbers, material codes, metadata for your parts. And then the presentation states are essentially different drawing views. So we're jumping between different view states that display different annotations, different dimensions and tolerances. And those are, like I said, analogous to 2D drawing views.